In a land where the fiery breath of inflation plagues the innocent, only one checking account has the power to take on the beast. PowerUp Checking from Safe Federal Credit Union with 4.25% APY on qualified balances. It's time to make inflation crash and burn.
Whoa! Fire with fire! I see what you did there. Hi, I'm Mark. Wait a minute, where did you get a dragon? Right? Safe Federal Credit Union is offering its new PowerUp Checking account with 4.25% APY on qualified balances and
No minimum balance, no maintenance fee, no kidding.
your voice is so cool. For more information, visit us at safefed.org. Insured by NCUA. Incoming!